approach. Good morning, this is Aeromexico 498. We are leaving level 1, correction, Cerritos.
Aeromexico 498, Los Angeles approach. Departure beach 320, right Alex 25 left, final approach short. Do you have information uniform?
Affirmative, 25 left runway.
Aeromexico 498, reduce speed to 210.
210, 498.
Wind 5225, the traffic is now, turn left heading 230, the traffic's at 11 o'clock per mile.
230, 5225, roger.
Understand you have him in sight?
Yes sir, we got him in sight.
6225, follow that aircraft, east for 25 right, you're cleared for a visual approach to runway 25 left, and at Los Angeles Tower 120.95, good day. Wings at 5083, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles northbound, altitude unknown. Aeromexico 498, traffic 10 o'clock, 1 mile northbound, altitude unknown.
Roger, 498.
Aeromexico 498, reduce speed to 190, then descend and maintain 6,000.
190 and then descend and maintain 6,000. LA Center, Grumman 1566 Romeo.
Grumman 1566 Romeo, this is Los Angeles approach.
LA approach 66 Romeo. I'm going to be up on a flight plan out of Fullerton for this first spot into Van Nuys VOR. Destination is going to be Monterey. Altitude will be 4,500. We'd like following.
Aeromexico 498, maintain your present speed.
Roger, Aeromexico 498, what speed do you want? Reducing to 1900.
Okay, you can hold what you have, sir, and we have a change of plan, sir. Stand by.
Alright, we're maintaining 1990.
Grumman 66 Romeo, squawk 4524, remain clear of the TCA.
45, what was the two numbers?
4524.
4524.
Aeromexico 498, expect the ILS runway 24 right approach, localized frequency is 108.5. Grumman 66 Romeo, you at 4,500 now?
Negative, we're at 3,400 climbing.
Okay, you're right in the middle of the TCA, sir, Grumman 66 Romeo. I would suggest in the future you look at your TCA charts. You just had an aircraft pass right off your left above you at 5,000, and we've run a lot of jets through there right at 3,500.
I was with the coast approach, they did not advise me of this. I was with Ontario approach, and they turned me over to you. What do you suggest I do now?
Aeromexico 498, turn left heading 280. Aeromexico 498, turn left heading 280. Aeromexico 498, turn left heading 280. Grumman 66 Romeo, stand by. Aeromexico 498, turn left heading 280, over. Aeromexico 498, Los Angeles approach.
Los Angeles approach, American 333 Heavy 10,000 for the 25 profile descent, and we have uniform.
Aeromexico 498, Los Angeles approach. Flight 5083, tower 120.95. Aeromexico 498, Los Angeles approach.